Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran, pulsating 38 years. The Pulse modeling agency recently hosted their anniversary event at the Villa Renai. The team also used the occasion to unveil their latest sensations, ready to make their mark on international platforms.
There were so many beautiful girls, really. It was a really hard decision. I think when we're scouting, we just know when we see it was something special. And the 4 girls were fantastic, so we had to sign 4. But then Michael really stood out for us. Just her face shape, her hair, everything.
She just had that star quality. Like when she walked, we had a big casting, and when she walked in the room, we were both like, easy, she's the one.
I'm really super excited. This is an opportunity that I've been dreaming about my entire life. So I don't even tears can't even come from my eyes to tell you how excited I am. So I'm just waiting to see how it goes.
However, there does have to be a winner today. There has to be one girl that we decided, and we talked to our directors today and we showed all the pictures, and the girl that stood out to us particularly was Michael Simone. Congratulations. And thank you very much, Pose. They've been amazing. Thank you.
The outstanding modeling agency continues to raise the bar with even greater plans in place for this year.
This year we're going to have a whole slew of new faces in the international market. We brought Select here because we've had this long relationship with them, and they've just gone berserk. I mean, they're just totally overawed with the talent we have here. So it's going to be something special in 2018.
Game over, man. International recording artist Shaggy has landed a role in the upcoming Netflix comedy. The trailer for the film was recently released and showcased the reggae and dancehall icon playing a famous pop star who was taken hostage. The movie Game Over Man was created by the team responsible for the hit movie Workaholics. This announcement comes on the heels of another hugely successful staging of his charity event Shaggy and Friends.
Breaking news, a star-studded event at the Level Hotel in Los Angeles has been taken over by armed gunmen. We now go to a live feed from the assailants and can confirm that one of the hostages is international pop star Shaggy.
Yeah,
Don't kill Shaggy. It's happening.
Say it wasn't me!
Sing it, Shaggy!
Honey came in and she caught me red-handed, creeping with a girl next door.
Picture this, we were both.
On the international scene, Canadian rapper Drake hits the 6 billion mark for the 2nd year in a row. Drake remains the most streamed artist on the planet across all genres. Currently, Drizzy is the only artist in the world to ever surpass 6 billion streams in 1 year. Last month, Drake's More Life album was reported by Apple Music to be the most streamed album on their platform, followed by Ed Sheeran's Divide. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.